Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
G.
Is that your name? That's not your name.
What's your name?
G.
No.
Hi.
Mali. Good boy. How old are you, Mali?
G.
2. Good boy. Let's do some shapes, okay?
Today.
What's that shape?
Mama.
Good boy. What's that shape?
Hot.
Good
Hot.
boy. What's that shape?
Peter.
What's that shape?
Peter.
Good boy. What's that shape? What's that shape?
The.
Good boy. What's that shape? What's this one, son?
Bummy.
Good boy. What's that shape?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
What
What
is
is
it
it?
called?
Yeah.
Circle.
Peter.
Good boy. What's that shape?
Peter.
Good boy. What's that shape?
Yeah.
What's this one?
Peter.
No.
Peter.
What's that one?
Peter.
Where?
Yeah.
Good boy.
Yeah.
Now, show me the hat. Where's the hat?
Good boy.
Good boy. Where's the diamond? Quick. Good boy. Where's the rectangle? Rectangle. Where's the rectangle?
Rectangle.
Good boy. Where's the oval? Good boy.
Orange.
Where's the square? Square. Good boy. Where's the triangle? Good boy. Where's the circle? Circle. Good boy. Where's the star? Good boy.
Yeah.
Good job, son. High five.
Bye-bye. I.
Good job.
I.
Say, I'm smart. Boom. That's how we do it. Like, boom.